Hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing Olga Nather's 33 steps for the Russian alphabet. This is the German version, but there's also a French one, an English one, and I guess maybe Spanish or 1-2 other languages, all made by Olga Nather. Well, I read that she grew up in Russia and made these little booklets just to help people. It says just a funny starter with visual helps, kind of like with visual help. So what the front looks like, this well, I guess Russian guy playing chess with a polar bear. And well, this book basically lets you learn, or helps you learn, the Russian alphabet in an easy step. Alright, well, let's get the backside. Bit about the author and what it exactly does, and the polar bear and Russian guy high-fiving. Let's look at the front. This is the impress, then just welcoming the reader, explaining 1-2 things, and then here we have one of the letters, A, here on the side, A like cometa, and some examples down here. It's a very short book. It's only around, let's see, well, 48 pages, and well, bunch of very interesting things. Alright, as I said, Russian alphabet in 33 steps. It's also an English variant to this. This is the German one. There's also a French one, a Spanish one, I believe. Yeah, to learn Russian. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, consider subscribing this channel and giving this video a like. And well, there are many other unboxings on my channel, clothes, tech stuff, other books, clothes, so many more things. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.